Leaching potassium. Patients with kidney disease and kidney failure need to know. Just thought I would tell you about this really cool study I saw today. Some of you may already know that one of the key nutrients to avoid in kidney disease is potassium from food. Now, potassium is an essential nutrient, and in particular a very good nutrient for the heart. In fact, one of the best remedies for high blood pressure is taking a potassium supplement. However, in kidney disease it is very easy for the levels of this nutrient to skyrocket in the blood. This is due to the fact that the body kidneys can no longer maintain the ideal levels necessary for optimal health. Moreover, this is not the case for everybody with kidney disease. So it is a good thing to have your levels checked at your next blood test. One of the best ways to manage your potassium levels is to limit the amount of foods that contain high amounts of potassium. As you will see, this is easier said than done. This is because most of the healthy foods contain high amounts of potassium, such as fruit, vegetables, and nuts. So what to do? Well, you may have heard that there is a technique called potassium leaching. Potassium leaching is a simple method used to leach out some, or the majority, of potassium. Here is a typical method for leaching potassium from vegetables. Peel the vegetable, cut into small pieces and place in a very large pot of water. Rinse the vegetables thoroughly. Fill a pot of water and place the vegetables within to soak for a minimum of 4 hours at room temperature, or you can let them soak overnight in the refrigerator. After soaking, rinse the vegetables with fresh water. Cook vegetables as desired. Ordinarily this method works a treat, but what some of you may not know is that this method will not work for all vegetables. But don't worry, I have come across a solution. A study to measure the amount of potassium loss in tuberous root vegetables using different methods. The tuberous root vegetables used in the study were fresh and sweet batata, malanga cocoa, dasheen, edo, black yam, white yam, yellow yam, yampi, malanga, red yatia, white yatia, and yucca. These are not the most common vegetables in the world, but they chose these because of their high fibrous density. Why? Well, if you can reduce the potassium in these vegetables, then the same techniques will apply to the softer, more porous vegetables. 5 experiential environments were created using varying soak times and cooking methods. Moreover, they analyzed the potassium levels of each vegetable using atomic absorption spectrophotometry, equals fancy technical term, and the residue of dried vegetables. Results. The results were very interesting. The traditional and most common method of leaching potassium from vegetables wasn't worth your time at all. There was virtually no difference between soaking these vegetables and not soaking them. What they did find out, which is of interest, is that double cooking, double boiling, is the only sure way to reduce potassium levels significantly in most vegetables. Of course, one round of boiling helps, but the clear winner was the double cooking method. So what does this mean for you? Start double cooking. Here is the new method for leaching vegetables. Peel the vegetable, slice into small pieces, roughly 3 mm width. Wash the vegetables thoroughly, and rinse. Fill a pot of water and place the vegetables within to boil 2:1 ratio, water, vegetables. Bring to the boil, and then drain water off. Fill pot again with water 2:1 ratio, and boil until soft, but integrity is retained. And you're done. So to summarize, you can't beat the double cooking method. It is simply the most effective potassium leaching method to date. Not all kidney disease patients need to watch their potassium levels, so check with your doctor. Take care of your kidneys today with great deals and offers. Try the kidney disease solution risk-free for 60 days. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch new videos. Wish you and your family peace.